Happy June, everyone. This is the June update. So a couple things. Spring was a little later coming, and so we've been having an absolute terrible allergy season. Good news, however, is that our allergy drip is world class. And actually, I'd like to almost hear from Logan and Daniel and Renee and the patients that have been receiving the allergy drip. And this allergy drip is phenomenal. Suffering with severe allergies, they do the IV drip. The next day they come in and they are almost completely better. We'll also use through Fullscript D-Hist, which is a phenomenal supplement to couple with the allergy IV formula. I mentioned this in the Jacksonville Drip Bar update earlier in the season that IV formula was reformulated this year, so phenomenal. For wildfires as well, I know that we are having a little bit of smog today from some of the wildfires up north and out west. And treatment of choice always for wildfires is nebulized glutathione. There's previous posts on that, but if you want to call the clinic and ask, what can I do to protect myself against the increased hydrocarbons in the air, you can use glutathione. We typically couple that thione with N-acetylcysteine, and it is literally a 5-minute treatment. Other treatments for this month in particular, depression, leaves are out. I've been winning the Stanley Cup since 1967, so we are offering IV support for depression for Leaf fans, for sure. This month, I'm in the clinic Tuesdays to Thursdays every week, so we are also seeing all types of primary care for cancer, everything, chiropractic patients, physical medicine, everything. We are doing it all this month. NAD, I've got lots to say on NAD, but not on this post. Healthy Women's Living Show in Toronto this weekend. It's supposed to be 17,000 women at this show. I will be speaking on IV therapy and for women at the show. I haven't actually finished the talk yet, so nonetheless. I was asked to be back on the Famcast, which is a TV show which is in Halton region. And they film, but again, it'll be on YouTube. And as soon as it's uploaded, I'll make sure that everybody gets a link. Blog posts from this month. I wrote an article called Myth to Mitochondria, my top 10 longevity strategies. And this was sort of, I guess you could say, motivated by, I took a trip to St. Augustine, which is just literally 20 minutes, 30 minutes south of Jacksonville at the legendary theoretical mythological Fountain of Youth. And wasn't the actual Fountain of Youth, but that's what Ponce de Leon was searching for when he hit the New World, and he thought he found it in St. Augustine. Anyway, I wrote my top 10 longevity strategy. I also wrote in that the top 2 IV therapies for longevity, bar none. And you don't have to read it. It's actually, well, you should read it. It's really good, but it's on NAD and glutathione RD2. And for those that use NAD or are interested in NAD, I really highly recommend that you do a glutathione IV interspersed with the NAD therapy. You will get enhanced magnitude effect. And I mention this to everybody that uses NAD as a longevity strategy for the mitochondria. In terms of cancer support for this month, we are offering on our Thinkific site, which is our teaching site. So wellnessdoctor.thinkific.com. If you put in Cancer Support 100, you can get our God Cancer Start Cure program for free. So if you know of someone that would like to learn more about integrative oncology or supportive cancer care, they really don't know where to start, that's what I filmed that 1-hour masterclass for. So again, God Cancer Start here at wellnessdoctor.thinkific.com. Anyway, that's a quick June update. I'm gonna try to email this out as well, and look forward to seeing you guys during the clinic.